Hey, you've come to the teacher tips and tricks for Bow Wow Wow. So like you might have seen in previous videos, this is a pretty basic song, so there's some things I do to make it a bit more challenging for students that want that extra challenge. Once the kids can handle playing it one round at a time, so bow wow wow, whose dog are thou? Little Tommy Tucker's dog, bow wow wow. And once they get to a new partner, they'll tend to giggle and see their new friend and they get really excited. Then the challenge is to have the song continue without stopping at all, and see if they can get all the way around the circle to get to their original partner again. If they can handle the challenge of continuing the song after the song is done, then I add some extra elements like this. They would audiate the song, so everything would be inside their head and all they would hear is the beat that their bodies would be making. So whether it's their hands or their feet, so it would be sometimes classes need a little more reinforcement if they're trying to audiate the song, so I could take a woodblock or any sort of unpitched percussion and just keep the beat, or even just snapping or patting on my legs while they're moving around. That helps them stay a little more unified as the song continues. Another thing I do, if your students can handle being a little silly without taking it overboard, I'd have them replace all the words of the song with just woofs, since it's about a dog, so they would go woof woof woof, woof 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 woof, woof 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 woof, woof woof woof. They think it's pretty funny. This song is a great tool for teaching Re. So if your kids are learning Re, you could talk about ascending up through Re. So do re mi, do re mi, and then you can also be talking about the final phrase of the song, which is bow wow wow or mi re do. So you could have a challenge, and you could have them audiate the entire song, and then go. They can only sing out loud when it's the final phrase of the mi, re, do, so it would sound like this. Mi, re, do. And you can do this for the various phrases of the song, whether it's bow wow wow, or whose dog are thou, or little Tommy Tucker's dog, or bow wow wow. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please comment below. As always, check out some of the other videos on my channel, and subscribe and share. Thanks, take care.